The Zone Trader EA is a tool designed for traders to automate supply and demand or support and resistance trading. It works on any time frame and can be used to automate range trading or trend pullback trading. Simply place the EA on a new chart for every instrument you want to trade. Then use the buttons to draw in the buy and sell zones. Simply move the zones to the areas you would like to trade from and wait for price to reach one of the zones and trigger a trade entry. If you need help identifying key levels, the EA has built-in support and resistance lines for weekly levels which often prove to be very strong bounce or turning points in all markets. These can be turned on and off as required. Use them to find areas for zones where price has reacted at multiple times in the past. There are multiple price action entry criteria you can select to enter a trade. These include piercing into the zone, open inside and close outside the zone, as well as open and close inside the zone. Select one or more entry methods that suit your confirmation of rejection at a price zone. Once a price zone has been traded from, the color will change to show you that zone is no longer active. The EA then draws in the recommended minimum distance to place your next trade so they are not too close together. Simply find a good area outside this range and place your next entry zone there, to scale into moves that do not work out. If you try to place a new zone too close to the last trade taken, the EA will tell you and will not take a trade from the zone you have drawn. The distance can be adjusted in the EA settings to your personal preference. It is recommended to use around half to 3/4 of the average daily range, which is set as the default. Your average entry price will be plotted on the chart to show you the rough area you should break even on the trade. This is used to identify where you should place your target zone when price moves in your direction. Just make sure it's in an area that will make you profit. You can choose to risk a fixed lot or an amount of money, with lot size being calculated over an ATR period of your choosing. There is also the option to use lot scaling on additional trades in a position if you wish. The EA is designed for position trading, or dollar-cost averaging trading techniques. These do not use a hard or fixed stop-loss, and allow the markets to move and breathe naturally. You scale in and out of positions as price returns to the same levels over and over again, as banks and institutional traders place their orders. The EA can be used in two different modes. The always-in mode will exit profitable trades, and then reverse the trade direction instantly for you as price moves to each zone you place on the chart. If you do not want this functionality, the EA will simply exit your trade at the zone, and wait for you to place a new area to trade from. There are multiple backup exit criteria built into the EA, for both profit-taking and loss control. You can choose to exit trades automatically based on an amount of time passing, a monetary amount in both profit or drawdown at the end of the day, or you can get the EA to check at the close of any candle, on any time frame. It can exit regardless of the profit on the position, or you can tell it to only exit if you have a profit available. There is an automatic trailing stop-loss feature, which allows you to specify a stop based on the average true range of any time frame, allowing you to lock in profits as trades move your way. This can also be set to break even only, to protect your capital and give you a risk-free trade which you can hold for those home runs. The EA is also incredibly useful as a training tool for traders that want to learn, or further develop their skill set, with support and resistance, or supply and demand trading strategies. It is fully functional in the strategy tester in Metatrader 4, so you can practice on any instrument and timeframe over and over again. The more you see price doing the same thing, as days and weeks pass, the more you build muscle memory, which will improve your trading skills when live trading. Backtesting and simulator time is key to every serious trader's success and development. You can download a demo of the EA now, and it's totally free to use in the strategy tester, so go ahead and grab it now and start developing your skills. Then set up the EA on your live charts and start profiting from zone trading techniques.